everyone, today I want to show you guys this bird feeder we've been using for a while, and this is really cool feeder. As you can see, it has a camera here and you can see the visitors, they come, they eat. We have all different sorts of birds, and it comes with this solar panel which charges the solar. So you can see on the back you have the antenna for the Wi-Fi, and it also has built-in SD card. You can see you can open from the top over here, which you will have access to like charging port and the other stuff. And on the top it has this water thing, but we didn't really put water on top because we don't see them, so we just left the food here. You can see it has nice large opening, and you can see the amount of the feeding material left inside, so you can easily see and refill, and refilling is easy. You have to just unscrew from the side, the back. Once you unscrew this, you will see that the top will come out and you will have access to everything. So you can see it just comes off. It has this screw. You just lift it. Once you lift, you can see it is like this, and once you are ready, you can just put it, and it is kind of waterproof. It even if it's rain, water doesn't go inside. So overall looks really cool. You have also this hummingbird feeder, but we don't have any hummingbird around. I just left it there empty. And you have this fork here. You can put like apple and some other fruit you might place. So overall you can see I just secured it on the fence. It's on the plastic. The screws hold it really nicely. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.